Welcome to Green Technology. Subscribe for innovative machines, smart forestry solutions, and the technology shaping a more efficient future. This homemade four-way splitter demonstrates how intelligent design can dramatically increase productivity. Instead of dividing a log into only two pieces, every stroke creates four uniform sections at once. Built from heavy steel and powered by a robust hydraulic system, it converts large timber into ready-to-use firewood in seconds, while maximizing output from every cycle. Some machines prove that good engineering never goes out of style. This vintage 4-kilowatt swing saw may look old-fashioned, but decades later, it still delivers impressive performance. Its sturdy steel frame remains stable under load, while the well-maintained blade slices cleanly through timber with remarkable consistency. It is a reminder that durability and reliability often outlast trends. Watching an experienced craftsman work can completely change how difficult a task appears. Years of practice turn demanding physical labor into a smooth and efficient process. Every movement is purposeful, every action controlled, transforming routine wood processing into a display of skill and precision. What was once an ordinary truck has been transformed into a highly effective log-splitting machine. Equipped with a screw splitter attachment, the system converts engine torque into controlled splitting power. Even stubborn hardwood logs open with surprising ease. After decades of operation without injury, this setup demonstrates how thoughtful design can improve both productivity and safety. Innovation often appears in unexpected forms. This wheel-powered bandsaw uses a motorcycle wheel assembly to drive the blade while maintaining excellent stability. Tire pressure helps secure the blade in position, and a quick-release mechanism allows rapid replacement when needed. The result is a creative solution focused on efficiency, simplicity, and reduced downtime. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. A chainsaw support frame may seem like a minor improvement, but its impact is significant. By stabilizing the saw and keeping the operator's hands farther from danger zones, it increases safety while improving cutting consistency. Small innovations like this often provide some of the greatest practical benefits. This weathered 7-kilowatt splitter may not look modern, but performance speaks louder than appearance. Twisted birch roots and difficult grain patterns are handled with ease. There are no flashy electronics or polished surfaces here, just dependable mechanical power doing exactly what it was designed to do. The rack-driven splitter is another excellent example of practical engineering. A simple motor, a heavy flywheel, and an efficient mechanism work together to eliminate much of the physical strain traditionally associated with splitting firewood. For many users, innovations like this create greater independence while reducing physical effort. The Hercules drag saw represents a fascinating chapter in industrial history. Introduced in the early 20th century, it helped revolutionize timber processing by replacing labor-intensive manual cutting methods. Powered by a modest engine, it delivered dependable performance and demonstrated how even small engines could dramatically improve productivity. After years of splitting wood by hand, machines like these feel transformative. They reduce physical strain, save valuable time, and allow operators to accomplish far more without sacrificing quality. The goal is not simply working harder, but working smarter. Powered by a classic JCB power source, this splitter processes enormous amounts of firewood in a remarkably short time. Future upgrades involving a larger industrial engine will increase its capabilities even further. It is a perfect example of how older equipment can be repurposed into highly productive modern solutions. Do not underestimate this homemade 30-ton horizontal splitter. Designed for real forestry work, it lifts, positions, and splits heavy logs with confidence. Its rugged construction and adjustable features make it a serious tool capable of handling demanding workloads. This custom log processing station combines multiple functions into a single workflow. Dual engines power hydraulic systems, while an overhead chainsaw station performs precise cuts. Integrated cleaning components remove debris automatically, keeping operations efficient and reducing interruptions. Built largely from recycled automotive components, this homemade sawmill demonstrates impressive ingenuity. Using a truck differential and axle assembly, it transforms rough logs into clean, usable beams. Creative engineering like this shows how existing materials can be given entirely new purposes. If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. Firewood processing becomes considerably easier with dedicated bench-mounted systems. Powered by reliable engines and designed for safe operation, these machines help users produce consistent firewood while reducing physical effort and increasing overall efficiency. This homemade hydraulic splitter draws power directly from a tractor system. Strong hydraulic force allows it to process difficult hardwood quickly and effectively. It highlights how agricultural equipment can be adapted to serve multiple functions beyond its original purpose. Gary's small-diameter log processing approach emphasizes efficiency through specialization. His cutting system is optimized for handling smaller timber quickly, maximizing output while minimizing wasted effort. It is a straightforward solution that delivers impressive results. The creativity behind homemade hydraulic splitters continues to inspire. Combining engine power with hydraulic technology, allows individuals to build capable machines tailored precisely to their own needs. Projects like these showcase the value of practical innovation and hands-on engineering. What makes this firewood processor especially impressive is its versatility. By combining an excavator, a cone splitter, and cutting equipment, operators can efficiently handle logs of nearly any size. The system demonstrates how integrating multiple technologies can create highly adaptable solutions. Bell's Superlog splitter delivers extraordinary force while maintaining controlled operation. Large diameter logs that would challenge conventional methods are processed with remarkable ease. It is an excellent example of engineering designed for maximum productivity. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. Not every solution needs to be complex. The Harbor Freight 10-ton manual splitter provides an affordable entry point for smaller firewood operations. While it has limitations when dealing with larger projects, it remains a practical option for many users and illustrates how the right tool depends on the task. This rotating homemade splitter operates with carefully controlled speed through a dual reduction gearbox system. Combined with a large flywheel and heavy-duty construction, it provides industrial-style performance in a compact workshop setting. One homemade power station drives multiple wood processing systems simultaneously, including a disc saw, chipper, hydraulic splitter, and screw splitter. This remarkable integration demonstrates how thoughtful engineering can maximize output while minimizing equipment requirements. Heavy-duty drop-head splitters rely on controlled force and precise impact to process difficult hardwood quickly. Large knots and twisted grain patterns become manageable, allowing operators to produce clean firewood efficiently. This homemade hydraulic splitter combines comfort with performance. Dual cylinders provide smooth, controlled splitting action while reducing physical strain on the operator. It is another example of practical engineering focused on improving both productivity and user experience. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Traditional belt-driven saw demonstrations remain fascinating because they reveal the mechanical principles that shaped modern equipment. The rhythm of moving belts, spinning pulleys, and cutting blades serves as a reminder of how far engineering has progressed while honoring the technologies that came before. Nguồn nội dung được viết lại từ file bạn tải lên.